Volkswagen Passat B8, Tiguan, Arteon, Atlas from 2017 to 2021 oil and inspection service light reset. You can see that we have the oil service and inspection due message on instrument cluster display. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Also, from the moment you start the engine, you can see the oil service due message on display. Press on the 0.0 button from the instrument cluster. Press on the start engine button. Keep pressing until you see reset oil service. Release the button when you see the reset oil service, and press one more time on the 0.0 button. You will see the service interval reset message on display, which means that resetting was complete. You will do the same with resetting the inspection service, but you have to keep a little longer the 0.0 button until you see the reset inspection service, and then release the button and press it one more time to reset it. Press on the 0.0 button from the instrument cluster. Press on the start engine button while you keep pressing on the 0.0 button. Keep pressing on the 0.0 button until you see reset inspection service. Release the button and press one time on the 0.0 button, and that's it. You will see the service interval reset message on display, which means that inspection reset was complete. To check if the oil service and the inspection service were done correctly, turn the ignition on again, then press and hold the 0.0 button until you see the message service. And then let it go. Now you will be able to see that the next oil change will be after 15,000 kilometers or 1 year, and the next inspection service after 30,000 kilometers or 2 years. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. If the video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks.